What's up? Today is August the 19th, 2020. We're going to talk about Palantir today just to see if the bottom is near. All right. We're going to talk because you guys can see off the chart already that the market did not give what I expected it to do. So obviously the market is thinking otherwise. So we're going to see if the bottom is in for Palantir, because if it is, then you and I would probably want to come in and purchase the stock. But understand, the chart will tell us. So let's get into it. All right, right now, yes, my price prediction did not go right. I missed it. And one of the biggest reasons for you to understand that when you're wrong and your idea as to where price is going to go, you really have to face the fact real quick and switch your analysis aside. I need to look for the market to go down. Now, immediately after we did the price prediction in Palantir, the market just fell off. Like there wasn't no more life in Palantir. The market buyers did not even try to come in and keep the market propped up outside of these 2 days right here. These 2 days right here, the market in Palantir wanted to try to elevate the price. They did not want to see the market fall on these 2 days, the 7th and the 8th of August. But outside of that, it was more selling coming into the market in Palantir. And how the market just completely went down kind of tells you that this could be the high in the market in Palantir for the whole year. Yeah, I'm telling you that now. That $20, this high that came in on August the 1st, could be the high of the year. Just off of how the market did not hold support at $16, just how the market just went down immediately following that day, this could be the high. And here I am, August the 19th, saying that right now. It was a great run. Like, we get the market credit when credit is due. It was a great run. But now this may be the bottom. I mean, the top at $20. My bad. So now let's try to figure this out. Could this be the bottom? Now, why would I title the video like that? For real. Well, look at where the price is. Take this line, bring it down to where the bottom occurred on June 23rd. Isn't that amazing? If history is a predictor, then that would mean that this could potentially be the bottom in Palantir. And it looks like it's going to be initially, but don't think that that's the bottom of the year. All right, this is just a momentary stop before the market in Palantir continues to go lower. I'm just saying, because we are definitely trending to the downside. Okay, see that? And the market downtrend is more intact than us holding support at 1360. This is only the second time that we've seen Palantir hold $13.60. The second time. We have plenty of days to where the market has obeyed this downtrend line. So I'm going with the downtrend line first, that the price is still weak. Let me go ahead and get rid of this price prediction here. 19.75% was gone on the 9th of August. If you held on, that loss has increased to 27.85%. And it will happen. That is why you have to face fact. And once the market hits your area, you know you need to lead the play. Because if you don't, you run the prospects of increasing losses. And that is something that we don't want to do. So we got support, 1360. So let's try to figure out whether or not this is going to hold. All right. Let's start off with Palantir on the 2-day chart. It could be. This is a 2-day price bar. You guys can see that we close off the lows up there toward mid bar. So this is telling me that yes, buyers did show up over the last 2 days. Here's Palantir on the 3. We have another probable precursor of strength, meaning that in the next 3 days, the market in Palantir will have to go up and close higher than this 3-day price bar. Here's Palantir on the 5. What do you think? Bullish or bearish? What about on the weekly? This weekly chart, if I were to keep it real, which I do, it doesn't look bullish at all. Not on the weekly. And let me tell you why. As we saw price in Palantir run up into $14 all the way up to 20, look at how many weekly price bars we received these triggers of weakness. A fake there. We have another up fake created here. another up fake, and a push to go down bar all on the same week. And then we're still seeing weakness here. So this whole time that Palantir, over the last couple of weeks, we've seen it trade between $14 and $20. We receive more weakness in selling than we've seen strength in buying. I'm just keeping a buck. That doesn't look bullish at all. Here it is on the 2. Look at this 2-weekly price bar. Don't think that this is over. We still have another week on this current 2-weekly price bar in Palantir. Here's Palantir on the 3. This is the completed 3-weekly price bars. Over the last 3 weeks, we've seen the market in Palantir run as high as $20.24 to a low of $13.68. This one 3-weekly price bar, look at the spread, right? Look at the spread, has taken out the last 9 weeks of market trying to go up in Palantir. And why would you think price is going to go higher? Why would you think that the market's going to hold $13.66? Here's Palantir on the 5. Look at that. Here's Palantir on the monthly. So I'm finished. We're going to look for Palantir to go down. Now, this has already confirmed support. This is showing support right now. This is showing buyers coming in. I get it. But my price prediction is going to be created off of the longer term, the weekly charts. All right. So yeah, don't be surprised. Don't get happy when you see the market in Palantir go higher, because the weekly chart is still there too, lurking in the background saying, oh, you think this is the bottom, huh? That's what the market's going to tell us. So yeah, we can see it run up. It might run up to $15. It might even go up to 16. But don't forget, we have a lot of weakness still in the market in Palantir. So let me put this on the chart. All right. We're going to look for the market in Palantir to go lower. And I would say no higher than 16. I would give the market really this much space to run up. Like $17. If it goes 17, I'll be cool, because I would think that the market still has a greater probability of going down. All right. Now let's be realistic. I've already told you this is support. So if we see another move down to $13.66, 65 cents, let that be a target. Like, that is an area that the market cannot go no lower. So take the bag. Take some of this off the table there. That's my first one, 5.9%. Second target is going to be around 1250, which is 13.46%. And then my third target for Palantir will be here at 12, which is 16.59% there. All right. So I'm going to extend this downtrend line because this is where I'm suspecting the market is really following. And I'm going to hold this support area because I do want you all to know that I did point this out to you, that the market could actually bounce initially and go up from there. That's it. I'm done. All right. Follow me, hit the like button, so you can also subscribe to the channel, because I'm literally probably one of the only people that's dropping actual predictions on charts and coming back and certifying whether or not you were right or wrong. Why is not no one else doing that? Makes you wonder. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.